for for today's video, guys, we're playing what is the game name?
Escape log for brain rot.
Oh, he said this is better than
No,
Tsunami
this is like the same for escape tsunami for brain rot.
Oh,
But
okay.
this is good because you can just stay at the side.
Okay, let's start introducing. So
guys,
this is my new video. This is
my first time.
our new videos, and my name is Alex, and
Neil J.
so we are technically cousin. We are new to this game, so let's get out. What is this game? Let's go.
So hello guys, we're playing escape log for brain rot.
Let's go. Pick and send.
So guys, ow. Super fast, damn it. Fast beginning go on.
I gotta pick the brain rot, bro.
Ooh, si Vino Bombardino.
No, that's mine.
Bro, someone using hacks.
No, ban them. Oh,
Finally, I got it. I got the Sivino Bombardino. Here is my base. Oh, found it.
Oh, they also have this starter pack.
I'm gonna try to beg
Dwarfs.
from her. I'm gonna try to beg from her.
I don't have Robux. What should we get here? Oh, this. Let's get this. Tada de Fero. Guys, it's so very laggy. So laggy. Like, I cannot.
140 per second rainbow bandito babri.
Oh, look. Look. What the hell? What happened, bro? What happened? I'm gonna respawn.
Guys, I'm here playing. You can see that we are actually new because we don't
Basically.
we're new guys, so please don't believe us.
We're using mobile.
We are mobile players. We're not computers.
Oh my god, a rainbow spawn, bro.
Please enjoy the video.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, friends. Let's go. Please enjoy the video.
God. Oh my god, the dog is coming. Why did I die there?
Ooh, I got $24.
I died, but I don't die in real life.
I wish I got my Robux.
It's lagging. My game is lagging, bro.
No, it's because of the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is so lag. Hey, please support this video. Damn it, so lag.
Oh my god, I cannot put this.
So guys, please no bash us because we're just beginners on vlogging. Oh, just enjoy this video.
Oh my god, it's super lag. Oh my god, I picked up just a Rilla.
Ooh, I'm getting brain rots now. There's no log.
I have more brain rots. I have 4 brain rots. How many you brain rot? And how much is your brain rot?
I got 2 so far.
Oh, I got 4. You cannot even beat that. It's so many tutorial. I don't want to get tutorial like Tsunami for brain rots.
This is so many tutorials. But I hate tutorials because I can't focus on the game. It's lag.
Like, yeah, I agree.
So
with you.
guys,
My God, there's
we are Filipinos.
Shout out to my Filipino fans there.
Shout out to Filipinos.
I'm getting brain rot as fast as possible.
What if we can just beg something?
You're not a beggar.
This one's
God, it's super lag, bro.
try to beg.
Super laggy.
I hate tutorials.
Oh my god, so lag. Wait. Look.
Wow! Alakasabu!
I cannot
I'm gonna try to
I
get it.
cannot turn the speed to 2, bro. What happened? Oh, I reborn.
I already rebooted.
Hey, what is this? I cannot touch this.
That's lag. Just wait for it. Just spam. Free.
Sorry guys, I have a
So guys, I'm gonna try to get something.
bro, give me some. Can I beg you, girl?
I'm gonna bring this. Then I must turn a TV potato.
Whoa, please. I need rainwater.
Ew! Ew! Look.
Oh my god, I don't have a clothes, bro.
Ooh. I'm
In
going to
your
try. Bring up, please. Bring up, please.
I need a youngster Terra just to be boss. Oh, that's not. Here it is. Whoa! What the hell? I respawned.
Going back to Honolulu just to get back.
That song is so very cringe, bro. Stop that.
Okay. Woo!
You're not the alpha. I died, but I not died.
Then I just have to finish the film.
We don't have Robux because we don't have money.
How do I make this thing disappear?
God, I'm lagging, bro. I don't think this is a normal video. Just, I'm literally lagging.
How are you so fast?
Yeah, upgrade this. You upgrade this yourself.
How much is your speed now?
Tsunami for Brainrot is better than this copy game.
We just trying games.
My god,
I'm gonna break on this one.
I'm not the beggar. I respawn again, bro. What the hell? And I'm lagging. I hate lags. Look, I'm literally lagging, bro. I'm literally lagging.
Everyone, look.
Don't.
Ooh, he's giving a jolly sahur.
My god. Give me some. You're lucky. Please give me, bro. Are you still lagging? My god, I rainbow spawn.
Oh, we can get one. Look, we just need to join the group and we get, just leave there, okay? I will join you. I will just claim this lucky block group reward.
Okay.
Stay there.
And
So
give
hello
me
guys,
some.
I'm gonna get the brain god lucky block.
And stay there.
So I am grade 5 and he is grade 4.
Like,
Shout out to my classmates. This is me now making vlogs.
I am more taller than him.
Yeah, I don't care. Size doesn't matter.
Skill matters. Wow. Digimon kita.
You rate my phone 1 out of 10.
Nini let it crush. My god. Ayun, ni pangit man kainin ni Loy. Wait.
Di pa man kakabalo magdula. Mura naman pala.
Pag in English ay pag Bisaya.
Because you cannot play it.
Who cares?
Finally now, I'll join you.
And who's listening you? Oh my god.
Just side on the... Oh, damn it.
Hey, Jandil turned into a raccoon. I thought Jandil was a monkey.
I so sus.
Bro, that's inappropriate, bro.
I did not show it. Look.
You are literally banned from it. You're banned.
So guys, I'm a soccer player and he's a volleyball player.
Who said that?
So guys, that's ASMR.
I'm a
while
badminton player, bro. I'm a badminton
waiting.
player.
That's ASMR till the game will function.
Wait. I cannot play this
Shut
game.
up! Sige boy. So guys, Bisaya.
Oh my god, I can reboot now.
Woo! Now I can get group rewards.
What do you get?
And also someone traded me. Woo!
Oh my god.
Woo! I get the brain rot gun monkey block.
Oh my god, I have PP corny.
Ooh, I will open it. Ooh, 2.5k per second. Oh my god. I now have 65k everyone. It's with no one else. 6-7! Japan.
You're so pretty, bro. Like 6-7. 6-7 is not anymore. 6-7 is the prettiest name ever. Like brain rot. Like brain rot, yeah. Great old meme reset is gone, bro. Stop saying 6-7.
Nah.
Stop saying 6-7. It's been a new year now. It's
Ayaw,
literally almost 2026. So stop that commenting. Stop commenting 6-7. I know you're gonna comment 6-7. Stop saying 6-6-6-7. Stop. Bro,
You're not part of it. So guys, he's my big brother. And he's also Peppa Pig. He's in the part of Peppa Pig family because he's so fat. Fatter than a pig. Don't listen to him. You're not part of our family because you're fat. You're not part.
is this even a... Oh my god, is this even a video? Oh my god. Rage baiting. Bro, it's literally rage bait. What happened, bro? I cannot play. I got a lag. My brain rots are jumping, bro. Look. No, I'm gonna stop this lagging. So guys, the video
I'm gonna dance for a bit.
the video will end here. So guys, I'm gonna make part 2 how to play this game because I don't know, it's so laggy. And
Yeah, guys, we'll wait for 15 minutes of video, then we'll end. So please like and subscribe. Enjoy the video. Thank you very much.